Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and you're probably wondering, what am I doing to the sawmill right now? And it's middle of December. Actually, next week's Christmas. This will be out in a week or so. We got a little skiff of snow today. I think we're not supposed to get much. Maybe 4 to 8 inches. 8 inches is a pretty good pile, but 4, not a big deal to deal with. We've gotten an inch so far today. But last winter, if you follow my channel, you may have watched the video of me pulling this into the garage to work on it. And I'll be doing that again here in several weeks. And I chipped for hours at the sawdust. Sawdust and water, when it freezes, it makes a thing called pykrete. And it's rock hard. In fact, they actually experimented with building ships out of it before. Like aircraft carriers was a thought once. You know, that's a problem even in the spring. I try to keep the sawdust away in the wintertime. You know, sometimes I'll put a tarp down here and just scoop it up. Maybe that bucket in the wintertime would be a really good idea. I'll do that this year. I'm going to hang a bucket like the rest of you guys are doing. But these get frozen into the ground, and I literally chipped for hours trying to get this out. So I'm heading out of town. My wife will be around, but I'm going to be gone for a little while in January. But when I get back, I'm pulling this into the garage, and I'm going to start some of the projects I have in mind for this mill. These winter projects that you guys been waiting for. Maybe an auto feed head, and probably that will be it. Maybe a log turner. I'm not 100% sure if I'll get that far, and probably some toe boards. But I put these in so the sawdust, you know, I can keep it away. And I'm only going to have a couple. Oh, hi, Abby. I'm going to have only an inch or two of sawdust around these if I keep milling. And I do have a few more jobs I got to get done this winter. I got to get this milled up for a guy. He wants some 1-inch boards. I want some 1-inch boards stocked up. And I got 2 big rounds over there, which are only like 40+ inches long, that will span these bunks. And guy wants 1.75-inch boards. Beautiful red oak off his property. So he's going to make some chairs out of those. But I think this will work, guys. And then I can just kick these or knock them out with a sledgehammer or bump them with the tractor bucket or forks or something to knock them out. So when I pull this in, I'm not running them over. But that will keep these from freezing into the ground, I'm thinking. And whatever sawdust does build up around it, I can just kick it away. So, whew, that'll do it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts. You know, I don't want to deal with what I did last year. I can't cut this, though, until I run the string method across this thing, get this thing leveled back up. I just did a quick sight down it. I got it pretty close, but I like that string method. So, guys, have a great day. We'll see you at the mill next time. Hey, Abby, come here. Come here. You want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi? Yeah. It's Friday. It's the weekend, Abby. Maybe we can get out here tomorrow and get this milled. We'll see how much snow we get. Okay, back to the house. Come on.